Hello and welcome to Roots to Sprouts, another episode of Know Your Bugs. What happens when you don't apply pesticides in your garden? You will see both beneficial and harmful insects in the garden. In this episode, we are going to see lacewings, one of the most beneficial insect that everyone wants in their garden. And I was lucky enough to have them in our garden in many places this year, and it always brings a lot of joy when I see them, because this is one of the insect that you all need in your garden, which helps to take care of the pest without any chemicals. What you're seeing now, these are aphids, the most destructive insects that can cause maximum damage to your plants. The plant you're seeing now, this is the milkweed. We mainly have this plant to attract butterflies so they can be a good pollinator in our garden. But at the same time, milkweeds are one of the good source for the aphids. The bright yellow aphids found on milkweeds are destructive and they are not a native pests. Soap water and neem oil that you can spray on the top, that helps to get rid of these aphids, but it is also more damaging to the monarchs and it can build up on the plants. So it is one of the worst insect that you can have in your plants that can easily cause damage. The more earlier stage you find this and you address these infection by applying the neem oil or the soap water, plants can recover at the earlier stage. Very few recognize these green lacewings in the garden because it goes very well with the color of the grass and the leaves, and it matches exactly to it. So it is hard to notice sometimes until you pay more attention to these insects. Aphids, what you see here in this milkweed plant, these are the milkweed flowers that really attracts monarch, and you can really see the nectar on these flowers. It's so amazing to see how these flowers produce nectar, and monarch butterfly are the ones which attracts to these flowers, and these butterflies are so colorful to see. Each lacewings can consume 200 to 300 aphids in a week. If you have good amount of lacewings in your garden, over the night there are chances the aphids will get disappear. And people normally buy these lacewings from the stores, and you won't believe the cost of each lacewings. It varies from 40 cents to 60 cents. So 100 lacewings you will get it for $45 to $50 on an average. If you find them naturally in your garden, you are so blessed. Thank you all. I hope you like this video. We'll talk to you in another episode of Know Your Bug. I hope some way these informations are helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.